Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to troubleshoot Birdfy camera when it is too hot. So guys, to fixing this issue, first of all you move the camera out the direct sunlight. So guys, Birdfy camera have operational temperature range, okay, from 14 degree to 113 degree Fahrenheit, or if we are talking about the low, so it's minus 10 degree Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Prolonged exposure is to enhance sun will cause the camera body to exceed this limit. So if possible, relocate your feeder to the side area of the yard while maintaining a strong Wi-Fi and connection. If you moving the feeder is not an option, so consider installing a small protective awning and a canopy above the camera to block the direct sunlight. Then guys, bring indoor to cool down. If the camera is already overheating, active and glitching, so do not leave it outside. So bring the camera inside to an air conditioned room and wait at least 1 to 2 hours for the 1 to 2 hours for the device to completely cool down from the room temperature before attempting to the power it on or charged it. Second thing is guys, check for charging or the battery damage. So guys, overheating can sometimes be exacerbated by charging issues, particularly if you are using a incorrect adapter. So if connected to a solar panel or the wall charge, unplug it immediately. Then inspect the port. Check the charging cable and the USB port on the camera for any sign of melting, burning or the corrosion. Use the correct voltage. Always ensure you are using the 5 watt, 1.5 ampere or similar compatible charger. Fix 3 is guys, perform a manual restart or reset. Once the camera is fully cooled, perform a hard reset to clear any software or the hardware glitch caused by the heat spike. So you use the ejector pin to press and locate next to the power button. After that, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it back on. The blue light should indicate it's to booting up normally. If a simple reboot does not bring the camera back, so online perform and the factory reset by the Birdfy help guidelines. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.